How to fix Google Chrome no internet connection problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix the problem where it says no internet on Google Chrome. So let's say if you're using Google Chrome on your phone and you're surfing through the internet to try to find things, but suddenly your phone stops working or your app stops working. In that case, you want to go over to settings menu and then check for your internet connection. That can be done by clicking over to connections, and if you are on mobile data, go ahead and tap on mobile networks, and then from here you want to go ahead and turn on the allow 2G service in both of your SIMs. Go to access point names, and then you want to reset it back to default. Tap on the three dots at the top right and then tap on reset to default. Once that is done, you want to go back. And then if you are on a Wi-Fi network, try to turn it off and then connect back again. And if you go to more connection settings, make sure that there is no VPN or any other proxy connected on your device. Once you make sure you do all of those steps, the last thing you can try to do is just restart your device by pressing and holding on to your power button. Then long press on your Chrome, go to the I button. And once you go to app info, head over to storage and then go ahead and clear cache. Tap on clear cache, go back and then simply go over to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are required and allowed. Go back and then you want to go ahead and force stop the app once. Tap on force stop and then tap on OK. What it's going to do is completely stop any background activities and requests which might be causing the possible issue. Now, if you're doing so, just go ahead and try to reopen Chrome and see if that works. That is about it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.